Black on black printing. What is it and why does it look so cool? Black on black is a printing technique which involves printing a black or dark ink onto a black t-shirt. The end result is this subtle but sleek look and one of the many ways to get a super soft, custom shirt that sets your brand apart. Designing a black on black t-shirt can be tricky if you don't know all the options to make it happen. To help you create the blacked out shirt of your dreams, here are 3 black on black printing methods we recommend to make sure your print comes out beautifully. Number 1, use our bold ink. Now, here at Real Thread, we're known for our super soft ink. However, our bold ink is a great option as well, especially for printing a black design on a black t-shirt. Bold ink is a little thicker and heavier in feel, but gives exceptional vibrancy on nearly any shirt color or fabric. The end result is a very comfortable t-shirt and a cool muted black on black t-shirt design. Our second option is to print with a light gray ink. Now, this technically isn't printing black ink on a black t-shirt, but it can have a similar effect. Now, if you go this route, we print the light gray using our super soft ink, which results in a more matte finish that mimics the look of a black on black. We recommend going this route if you want a more subtle print with less of a shine to it. You'll get to use our super soft ink too, meaning the print won't have a feel at all. The last and brightest option on our list is to use a high opacity black gloss ink. This process is especially unique as we print first with black ink, then go over it with a clear high gloss ink on top. Naturally, that means the print will have a feel to it, but if you want a black print to shine bright on a black t-shirt, this is hands down the way to go. There you have it, the 3 options we recommend to achieve a great black on black t-shirt design. If you have more questions on which route to take, leave a comment below or you can reach us at realthread.com. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been Emmy and we'll see you in the next video.